I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Green. Today's we'll try to test the gameplay of the Fortnite by using 90 FPS in this OnePlus 9R device. As you can see, friends, so right now I'm using the OnePlus 9R, and in this OnePlus 9R the Fortnite game supports with the 120Hz refresh rate without any problem. So a lot of users did ask me this kind of question, how is the gameplay? So I thought of including the screen recording of the complete gameplay when I'm trying to play. So let me try to show you quickly the settings about the screen recording. You know exactly what type of settings I'm trying to use. As you can clearly see, friends, number of frames, 60 frames I'm trying to record, and all those details you can clearly see here. Let me try to start the Fortnite gameplay here, and it is a Fortnite game, and I did turn on the 120 FPS before starting the game itself. And let me try to quickly show you the temperature readings. So right now the temperature is of 35 degrees at this point, 35, 38, as you can see, 35, only 35 degrees at this moment of starting the game. So let's see, friends, how much temperature the game might increase after a certain amount of time while gaming. As you can see, friends, right now the game is open, and there is one small update which has come, which is a 4 GB. So this is a problem every time I get multiple updates in this Fortnite game. Always, that is the reason why I don't like this kind of game. But let's see, friends, there is a 90 FPS I'm trying to use during this time of gameplay. Let me try to tweak the quality. What will happen? So I can use the 90 FPS, but the quality will be low. As you can see, this is a kind of thing is going on right now. As you can see, friends, let me try to select slightly more quality. As you can see, so you cannot do that. With the epic quality, you can only play with the 60 FPS, as you can see. And if you want to use 90 FPS, you need to have the low quality. As you can see, this is what is happening right now. So first I'll try to use a 90 FPS, and then again I'll try to use a 60 plus epic as well. So meanwhile, so I did turn on the real-time FPS data as well to show. Let me try to go back to the gameplay and start playing the game. So let's see what will happen. I'll be able to start recording if possible. I think this Fortnite game is not added in the game space, so I need to add the game manually. So I need to go to the Fortnite game. So it is a Fortnite game, so let me try to add, and let me try to open the game, and let's see whether it got added or not. So now we got the options, everything on the top, as you can see here. So before I did not get this kind of options, and there is a screen recorder as well. The option is available. So let me try to start the game. I'll try to record the gameplay once the game has been started, then you can actually see the difference what it is. And one more thing, a quick thing, I forgot to check whether the audio is recorded with the system audio or the internal audio. As you can see, so microphone audio, so voice and the surrounding sounds also will be recorded during this time of gameplay. So internal audio. So let me try to use the voice and the surrounding sound. So because while recording, even I can talk and you can understand what is happening regarding the FPS meter. So that is what I'll try to do at this point. So let's see, friends, what's gonna happen in terms of this one. So I just want to see whether the 90 FPS will be consistently maintaining or not. So you'll do get the minimum and the maximum FPS meter statistics clearly, which is showed, as you can see, friends. So which will be kind of really helpful for most of the users. And we have to slightly increase the brightness so you can actually see without any kind of flickering. And let me try to go to this screen recording and start playing the game. So you'll be able to actually see the difference. So right now little bit kind of lag did happen at this point. And regarding the game experience, and this is the sound, I'm trying to even keep a little bit kind of sound during this time. As you can see, sometimes you are seeing the frame drop. It dropped up to 16 as well, 16 and 22 frames. Sometimes, as you can see, friends, this frame drop is going on when I'm trying to scroll around. So right now 49, 29 FPS I'm trying to get. So 30, 47 FPS. I can see the temperature slightly to increase in this phone. So that is another thing. So let me try to check the temperature, and the temperature 40 degrees it increased, friends. So 40 degrees at this point of recording. So let me try to start playing, and you can focus on the real-time FPS statistics, how much I'm trying to get at this point. So I can see sometimes there's a little bit kind of shuddering is going on. The frame drops couple of times. I did observe during this time of gameplay. As you can see, sometimes the frames are dropping. As you can see friends, just now it did drop and it went up to 13 fps as well. And on the back side of the camera I can see huge temperature start to increase a lot on the back side of the camera. I can feel the heat coming through the back side of the camera friends. That's a huge heat. I can actually feel it from this part particularly, and this is the made up of glass, and you will be able to feel a lot more than what it is because of the glossy kind of surfaceness on this phone. That is what I'm experiencing. So right now I'm trying to record another match at this point, and you can see the recording we can actually pause and play as well. So that's another good thing, you can actually pause while you are trying to record. So right now you can see the frames got dropped a little bit to 14 as well just now, and right now for 66 it's maintaining around. So we're getting 60 fps 70 fps at this point. So the lowest it went up to 22 fps, and now the highest 81, lowest is 48 as you can see. So again there is a frame drop, it dropped up to 4 frames as you can see friend, just now it happened. So the frame drops right now, it's at 40 fps I can see. So right now the frames are close to 90 fps, not much. So frames are dropping to close to 44 fps, and I can see the temperature slightly increasing little by little in this phone at this point. I think till now only the problem is regarding temperature. Temperature is slightly increasing little by little. That is what I did notice during this time of gameplay and testing. Regarding the performance, I did not have any kind of issues while gaming friends at this point. Let me try to go back and change the settings to maybe epic. So friends, after playing for some time the game, there are a couple of things. So where the FPS kept on dropping as well through the 20 and 30 FPS as well. Sometimes even 4 FPS if you are trying to use to the 90 FPS with the low quality. So this is what happened right now. And in case if you want me to use any other particular setting, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to post a video. And finally the temperatures went up to 41 degrees just for I think 5 minutes of gaming, 5 to 6 minutes of gaming only. 41 degrees as you can see here. So this is a quick review, friends, on this OnePlus 9R. Make sure to hit the subscribe and stay tuned for more important videos. So thank you for watching. As I said, in case if you want me to do any other videos, definitely I'll try to do on this OnePlus 9R soon. So stay tuned, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.